Welcome back. The South Delhi Municipal Corporation, which is ruled by the Bharatiya Janata Party, has proposed that non-veg food displayed on outdoor stalls should be banned in South Delhi. The proposal was brought in by the South Delhi Municipal Corporation in its meeting, saying that hygiene and sentiments of people were being affected by the sight of meat. The proposal holds for both raw and cooked meat of all kinds displayed by shop owners right outside their shops. South Delhi includes areas like Greater Kailash, Lajpat Nagar, Horse Khas, Defence Colony and New Friends Colony. Skewers of meat and kebabs are a common sight at outdoor stores and outside markets in these areas. The move has, however, drawn sharp criticism from other political parties.
So मेरे लिए तो ठीक है. I have a problem looking at the non-veg meat and all that thing. So, but इनको cover करना is not an option because ठीक है, जितने वेजिटेरियंस हैं उतने नॉन वेजिटेरियंस भी हैं यहाँ पर इंडिया में, एंड दे ऑल्सो लव टू सी द फूड दे आर ईटिंग.
तो इट डजंट मेक अ डिफरेंस कि वो लोग डिस्प्ले कर रहे हैं या नहीं, बट अगर आप कहीं पे स्ट्रीट फूड खाने गए हैं और एक मूविंग मार्केट में वी लुक एट द फूड एंड गेट अट्रैक्टेड टू इट. बट आई थिंक इट इज गोइंग टू इम्पैक्ट बोथ योर फूड चॉइसेस एंड anybody who's selling the food also.
My colleague Ilma Hassan now joins me on the phone line. Ilma, this is clearly impinging on your and my right to choice.
Absolutely right, Paulamy. You know, this is a practice that we have been seeing for decades now. You know, these shop owners are used to displaying their meat outside their stores, not just to attract customers, but also to give them a taste of what exactly the menu it is that they're serving. Honestly, this new move by the South Delhi MCD is completely unnecessary when up until now there have been no objections raised to it. South MCD is, of course, citing health issues and hurting sentiments of people as reason that they want, all these shop owners to put their meats inside. But one also has to think about the fact that this is a practice that has been going on for decades now. There will be such a pinch on business also in a market that is already so competitive. And for people who eat meat, they're used to choosing their meat by seeing the meats that are on display in different stores and then choosing the store they go to. With that option now not available to them, definitely a lot of people are upset as well.
Right. Ilma, thank you so much for those details.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.